Hi everyone. In the given problem statement, we have to invert a binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, invert the tree and return its root. So, looking at the problem statement, it's pretty straightforward and simple. So, let us take this tree which has 4, 2, 7, 1, another 3, 6, and 9. Now, if I run the pseudocode of it, so if the root is none, then we are going to return just nothing. So in case, right, it has an empty value and not doing anything. Else, we are going to take a temporary value temp equal to root dot left root dot left, just a swap function, you can think it in that way. Root dot left equal to root dot right and root dot right equal to our temporary value which is containing the root dot left. So you are swapping the left node with the right node. And then again we can do our, let's say we are performing a DFS, right? So it would be root dot left and DFS root dot right. Pretty straightforward, and at last we're going to return our root. Now if I run the function, how it's going to look. So initially, right, we are at the node 4. So 4, right, it's a root node, no transformation is going to happen. Now the left value is going to get transformed with the right value. So instead of 2, right, we are doing this swapping, right? The interchanging is going to happen between both of them. So it's a swap happened. So here, right, the 7 is going to come here and 2 is going to come at this position. Now I'm going to traverse the 7th element, which is basically, and now from 7, right, again, now I'm traversing the, let's say, which is right, but it's basically now left, right? So we are traversing the, so left would be swapped to right. So now if I say right, what are the values of 7, right? It has 6 and 9. So again, we are going to perform this operation on 6 and 9, and these values are going to get interchanged. So once the values got interchanged, the value would be 9 and here value would be 6. Similarly, when you're going to traverse the right node or the left out here, right? So we're traversing the 2, it has 2 values, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are going to get interchanged. So value would be 3 and 1. And we are going to get our result. And after that, right, it does not have any children, so it's just root is none out here, right? So it's just going to return. So that's the entire code. Just in a few lines of code, we have been able to write the entire thing. So that's all for this video. See you in the Python solution. Now for the Python solution, let me do if our root is none, we are just going to return. Now temp is going to contain our root dot left and our root dot left is going to get swapped by the root dot right. Similarly, root dot right is going to have our temporary value. Now we are going to call our function back, so using recursion. So invert tree root dot left and self dot invert tree root dot right. That's all. Now let me return root and let me run the code. As you could see, the code ran successfully, and let me submit it up. As you could see, the code got submitted successfully, which is beating 100% of the submission because it's pretty efficient and the code ran properly. And here at the time complexity will be big of n because we are traversing all the elements once. So it's pretty efficient in that sense. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.